Good day to everyone. I am Dr. Fresco Yapendon, overall chairman of the PAMS Board of Examiners. Welcome and congratulations to all of us because we now have our very own PAMS television. We can now see each other more frequently through this medium. The national officer is now closer to you, and it will be easier for you to see the truth. Let us promote in PAMS teamwork and sincerity. Our present crisis will make us a better academy. Long live PAMS.
Naka-on ba?
Naka-on yata. Oo, naka-on. Kita ba?
Ha?
Kita ba? Kapag nakaganyan.
Hindi kita. Ibaba mo ng konti. Yan.
Ang gagalaw ha?
Kaya lang, pag nakatingin akong ganun, halata na may binabasa.
Aba, wala kang problema natin yun.
Mababasa ko ba yung sulat mo?